welcome to Pavilion Kuala Lumpur. I'm Hannah, and I'll be taking you around today's events that we have lined up here. I have a friend with me. Your name, please?
Hi, I'm Giri.
Giri.
Yeah.
Good to meet you.
Yeah, I'm from the Temple of Fine Arts.
Fantastic. Maybe you could tell us a little bit about what's happening here today. Explain what a kolam is, perhaps.
Kolam, it's the Kolam International Festival today, and Kolam in literal meaning, it means design, okay? So in India, what they generally do is that it's a simple, it's not as extravagant and grand as this. They just use simple rice or flour or something they can get, and they decorate and make some design out of it. And the purpose of this is actually just to feed birds or ants. It's a simple, kind gesture.
Maybe we can just pan behind us. We have a traditional Indian dance as part of today's festivity. What's happening here? We have a live model with a dress designed by Melinda Louis, which form part of the kolam today. Earlier today, two traditional Indian dances. One up here, which was the peacock dance, whereby the two dancers personified a peacock, and I think it was truly inspiring to see such grace and energy in the performance. You can also see one of the main kolams here today, a beautiful peacock design adorned with crystallized elements from Swarovski. We have some oil lamps, which is also traditional to Deepavali and celebration of Kolam. I think it's been a truly exciting day. I've enjoyed myself here today at Pavilion. It's been great absorbing and learning about Indian culture and the celebration of Deepavali, and also the Kolam and what it means. The Kolam traditionally is made with rice. We have here today 1,000 kilos of dyed rice, which was used by the students to design the Kolam. It's about the celebration of oneness and unity and being in harmony with nature. So the rice signifies food for animals around the village to come and enjoy the food with the families. With me now, Her Excellency Andrea Wick, the Ambassador for the Austrian Embassy. Just a few quick questions. How did you find today's event?
I found it very interesting. It was the first kolam I saw, and at the same time very professionally made and prepared and very aesthetic.
How do you think this will encourage, I guess, cultural education between Malaysia and countries like Austria?
What I took for myself, what was very impressive was the last dance, which you performed out. The peacock dance was really very beautiful. I had never seen such a thing before. And I think that in Austria we have a lot of Indian dance now, increasingly, because Bollywood is conquering even the German-speaking television.
Okay, fantastic. So this is a yearly event. Will we see you here again next year?
If my time schedule allows, I think yes.
Okay, thank you very much for your comments. Okay, I have here Anna Hotzender from Swarovski. When we were looking at the columns earlier, we could see some beautiful crystallized elements, and those were all Swarovski crystals, am I right? I mean, what was the idea behind Swarovski becoming part of a column festival, a traditional Indian festival?
Especially, I think crystallized Swarovski elements is working worldwide in all the different markets and regions. And what we are very passionate about is basically whenever we are working in different markets, really understanding the local culture and also really, being able to appreciate all the local designers and the arts and the handcraft. And being here in Southeast Asia region, that's an amazing job to do because there is just so many different cultures and all the different populations living one beside each other. And now with Deepavali, I think that is really one of the key festivals of Malaysia, representing the Indian population. And it's the Festival of Light. Yes. And I think it, especially becoming part of the Festival of Light, is beautiful. Yes, it's beautiful for crystallized Swarovski elements because it is really the crystal that stands for sparkle, yes, for light play, for color play, and so I think there is a very strong connection.
Crystals are beautiful and we can see them in the column still. I think the column will be on display for another few weeks. So come check it out and see it for yourself. Thank you very much.
It's been truly fun being here. Thank you to Pavilion KL for having me here. Thank you to you for watching on your PCs and your laptops in the spirit of unity. Vanakkam. This is a yearly event, so I hope to see you back here again next year. Thank you.